who tell you make you
Let's scratch your life.
Idiots.
Good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today will be the 13th of May 2015. My name is Nanedu me, Katim, and Easy Bit. Don't sempe today for make sure say your evening goes sweet. Well. How work today? Hope say they not give you wahala too much. In case you are gonna give you wahala, don't worry, we are here to handle him. Tomorrow, no just go work. Don't go work. If you call it and say, Nedu and Katim and Easy Bit say could not come work. Then at the end of the month, your salary not go bank.
But then, so which kind if person they sit down now, they listen to this kind of advice. You tell them with such confidence. Then the person no go work say because Nedu and Katim say make no go work.
They make it work for the end of the month. You come meet me, make I pay you.
Then you go say, Nedu, but now you tell me say make I no go work that day.
So you do You do.
Oh, so you do. I didn't know you were going to do it. I was just playing with you. I got to tell you a new material at the test. Anyway, in case you just join us, this is not the night show, and today he get matter we go discuss. Something when they happen for inside First Tag Town. Make I call the streets. I go call them. This one will not they hide any name.
So if you know say you get neighbor.
If you know say you get neighbor, where do this thing? And you there? If you live for those of them where they live for Lagos. And at Lagos, this thing happen. So those of them where they outside every part of the world, when I go discuss, call, make una talk with you and feel about this matter. It happened for flat 18, block 3, E-close, 401 road for First Tag Town, Lagos. It happened.
Who there? If you know say na the address of your
vicinity, may you call us. But anyway, before we start the show,
my brother.
He got one lady where her boyfriend, you know, say these days people before man marry woman and they go say so this one go use a Range Rover Sport to take a propose. Some go use Beetle take propose. Some go use Keke Marwa, Keke Babe take a produce propose. I say produce. Then this guy now come think say no. What is the phone that is raining now for girls?
Ask me.
What's the phone that is raining now?
The iPhone 6
Plus.
and the iPhone 6 Plus.
Yeah, the Galaxy 6.
iPhone 6 and BlackBerry passports.
Galaxy don't join.
Galaxy, yes. Samsung Galaxy don't join.
So make your choice.
And he gets another. He get one new phone now. Where Lenovo do? If you see that phone, oh my God. But anyway, Lenovo.
Okay.
But anyway, make I tell you now what happened. This guy now called this in and say this iPhone 6. Where girls they craze for? Let me buy it for this girl to do for propose.
Wow.
This guy, where got any? I see the iPhone 6.
Child.
The guy come kneel down, tell the girl, baby, will you marry me? See the guy named Stephanie. I beg, do that picture. Stephanie Okoye. A guy just got me this phone, which I kindly accepted the little gift, but I will never accept your proposal. You can't win my heart with the material things.
But
Vincent.
you collect the material iPhone 6.
They put the guy named Vincent. But my sister,
God
you are wicked.
Judge you.
God will judge you. My sister, God will judge you. Posterity will judge you.
And Zero.
See the guy now, for the guy in mind now, if you just give the guy the phone, the guy will say, oh my God.
Meanwhile, you don't collect the phone, but you say material things.
I don't like material things. This one the way to my house. It's what girls they do.
Don't mind them.
Yeah? And if the guy come now, he could say, gold and silver I has none.
Tomorrow,
what
now
I has
I
give to you. The guy could tell and say, no, talk to the hands, go and look for money. Meanwhile, the guy buy iPhone 6 now,
the guy
give.
is too stingy.
You go to say the guy is stingy. Now the guy buy iPhone 6, give you. You collect him, you're not a material person. If you collect, if I give her back the phone, since you're not a material person. In our Guabiati,
but the guy is supposed to collect the phone back now if you know they marry.
If let me be that guy, I swear my father, he will give me that phone back.
I trust you.
Let me say, give me that phone back. You give me money of transport, what I come there. Or if I drive, go there. You may go fuel. Alone, I think your destiny. What's wrong with you?
It's very, very expensive.
But you know how much the iPhone 6? 400,000. Now that money, you know what it's going to buy?
My brother, I don't know there, but you collect the telephone. So what you want to do now? If you are the one where you say you are hard debit for where Sabi you are mumu button, he comes see you with that iPhone 6. What do you go tell him?
It's one mumu. Look at it. It's one mumu like that. His name is Vincent. I remember that time for Madonna. Oh God. Boys for my school that time. One boy for my time. Oh, we go to TV. He got a VCD that time. We VCD. We come on. Boy buy TV, sharp TV and VCD. What can I give the babe as a Valentine gift? My sister in the Lord. the guy carried the gift. Go give another boy.
Oh shit.
Another say she dey trip for.
Oh shit.
Wait, and if you see the boy fat like bread, where they put for inside water. Anyway, over to the next story. This one na girls where there's another for Lagos here. And then go feed this kind of thing because it gets some kind of girls when you say their website, God will forgive them. Because this lady own, I don't understand them. How much is $1? Can you help me?
Maybe 216.
Yeah, that is it. It's highly.
216.
It is 216.
Okay, mo just say, so one say 208, you say 216.
We say 210.
Mo just say 210.
210.
No, you could get change on top.
Oh, top
That's
Mo just say, okay, mo just say
215.
215.
Yeah, but
now, for that 215, $100 is how much?
$100 out of 21,500.
21,500.
Yes.
Now, thank you for that mathematical calculation.
You are welcome.
Now, one girl then catch her for shop. She thief groceries. What do they call groceries?
What those things they go buy for shop now?
Orange, banana, cucumber, all those things. She thief them for inside the shop. And she hide them for inside her website. Her website, she hide.
Nero, sit down.
Sorry,
we know
I don't know say camera don't catch me. She hide all of them. 21,000 naira worth of fruit, groceries. Where make me?
No. How possible?
I don't know.
I don't sit down. They look this thing.
21,000 naira.
You know,
21,000 naira worth of groceries. How much be one tomato? Okay.
Take a basket of tomatoes.
No. They did not use tomatoes. I think tomatoes cheap now.
Okay, more leave tomato. Cucumber.
They not talk through.
Cucumber. She buy how many cucumber in one carry?
No. Even if she buy grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Watermelon.
Apple. Now she pack everything. Put inside there.
Feed power, no crate.
No, wait. I can't imagine now. Maybe as she dey pass, say, hey, stop there. Come. What are you carrying? Because say nothing, no. Then machine gonna do
Maybe she gonna walk like this.
Hey, stop it there. What are you carrying?
Nothing, sir.
What are you carrying? I saw camera saw you.
Nothing.
You were doing like this, this.
No, it's nothing.
Security, hold her. The woman security will come hold you.
And then like this.
Wait, they can say, watermelon. Cucumber.
Banana.
Cucumber. Banana.
Grapefruit.
One basket of tomato.
5 tubers of yam.
5 tubers of yam.
No, but you know possible. That's too.
Why can't they make me they ask, my sister, how big is your website? Or rather, how deep is your love? Make them check out fridge there, stove there,
television,
generator there,
color TV, television there, no.
But anyway, back to the last gist where they vex me. This one they annoy me personally.
No, anybody when hear this thing, it don't annoy the person.
They annoy me
because if you want to craze your craze, no carry small pikin put inside.
No carry small pikin join inside.
No if I tamper with pikin destiny like that, I not craze.
You see this matter of trek, where put the trek? They annoy me. That first guy where strike that trek, I will slap him.
No, Abante, they should begin to arrest all of them.
May police begin to arrest all these people with the trek. Why I talk this thing? One woman, 35 years old woman, carry 4-month-old baby. He back and for back. He said she the trek go Abuja because BUHARI win election.
Sure.
See her here now.
See him now. 4-month-old baby.
4-month-old. 4 months.
You the trek with 4-month-old baby. They go Abuja. Sun go beat that bikin. Rain go fall beat that bikin. Mosquito go bite that bikin. See him now. What kind of stupidity is this one?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
I bet family member.
When police begin to arrest these people because it don't enter madness. My question now, this woman not get husband?
Well, down.
You know get family.
You don't get family. Everybody now they track. Very soon now go see here say. Anyway, no could leave the matter. Back to the topic we go discuss today. Now something when they say happen for inside first time. When we say even for court, for magistrate court, for Apapa magistrate court for Lagos today, then took eye on top of this matter for the court for Lagos. Where we say we could make we talk about this thing because you don't get one person will send us message like this, but we'll not talk about them. We'll not talk about them. But as you see this thing where happen today, where I've been talking for radio, I think we can discuss them. Make we not talk because. most people get personal experience say this would happen to them. Now see am, 2 sisters. One name na Flora Ogidinta, 36 years old, na she be. And the second one na Chidoziem Ogidinta, 29 years old, that one be. Then they live for flat 18 and block 3, E-Close, 401 Road for Festac Town. Their father will be Mr. Ihioma Ogidinta. Then tie the man rope for inside the house. Begin to flog the man. They flog him. Now I tear this man to pieces. Tear this man. The man not sit down again as the flow talk so now. Why? They say when their mama they are alive, say the man they cheat on him mama. Say if they carry other girls where the man they are alive, their mother don't die now. Then come tie this man. Begin to flog him. Tear this man to pieces. Welcome make us one ask you a question today now. One, the thing what these guys then do, it makes sense. The main question I say, what thing you go do if you catch your mama or your papa, they cheat? What thing you go do?
Neru, I want to ask this one question. Those girls, how old them be?
I did tell you, one na 30, see, one na 36.
So you don't marry Kate Pikin?
I'm not sure say don't marry because if those 2 girls I go see come to them because what thing you did and they still give the father warning. They say the complainant said the children threatened to do worse things to him. The next time him bring woman come house, many say they see they live with the house. Man not so na marry.
But how woman could see that kind, get that kind of power? Say,
2 of them, maybe the man go down weak now. I don't know. Anyway, now this matter now we go discuss. When we come back, make we begin the call us for phone. Make we discuss this matter. It makes sense or it not make sense. Or what thing you go do if you catch your mama or your papa they cheat? Any of your parents, what thing you go do? How you go take handle the matter? When they come back, easy bit,